Welcome to Polonium Technologies. In today's video, we're exploring the AS5600 Magnetic Encoder, including its pinout, features, and contactless angle measurement capability. If you're working with motor control, robotics, or position sensing systems, this sensor provides a precise and reliable solution. So let's begin. What is the AS5600? The AS5600 is a contactless magnetic rotary position sensor. It measures angular position by detecting the magnetic field of a rotating magnet placed above the device. Here are the key features of the AS5600 Magnetic Encoder. 12-bit resolution, providing 4,096 discrete positions per revolution. High accuracy, typically around plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Contactless magnetic sensing for zero mechanical wear. Dual output options, analog output and I2C digital interface. Low power consumption, compact surface mount design. These features make the AS5600 a highly efficient solution for modern embedded systems.
Next, let's examine the pin configuration of the AS5600. VCC, power supply input, typically 3.3 to 5 volts. GND, ground connection. SDA, I2C data line.
SCL, I2C clock line. Out, analog output proportional to the measured angle. DIR, direction control pin, used to define rotation direction. GPO, general purpose output pin. This flexible pin configuration allows both analog and digital interfacing options. Now, let's understand how the AS5600 actually works. The AS5600 operates based on magnetic field sensing. A diametrically magnetized magnet is placed directly above the sensor. As the magnet rotates, the orientation of the magnetic field changes. An internal Hall sensor array detects these changes. The sensor then processes this data using a CORDIC-based algorithm to calculate the angular position. The output represents a continuous angle from 0 to 360 degrees. Let's discuss the output options next. Analog output provides a voltage that changes proportional with the angular position. I2C output gives a high-resolution digital value representing the angle accurately. The selection of output mode depends on system requirements and application design. Now, let's see how the AS5600 can be interfaced with an Arduino. Connect VCC to 5 volts, connect GND to ground, connect SDA to A4, connect CC to A5. Once these connections are established, the sensor can communicate with the Arduino via I2C. To read angle data, open the Arduino IDE and use the wire library. This library allows communication with the AS5600 over the I2C interface. You can read angular position values and use them in applications such as motor control, user interfaces, or feedback systems. Let's now discuss some practical applications of the AS5600. The AS5600 is widely used in motor shaft position sensing, rotary input controls such as knobs and dials, robotics and actuator feedback systems, automotive position sensing, industrial automation. It is particularly useful in applications requiring contactless and reliable position measurement. To wrap things up, the AS5600 Magnetic Encoder provides a compact and reliable solution for accurate angle measurement. Its contactless operation, high resolution, and flexible output options make it ideal for modern embedded system designs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more professional electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching.